The island of Sodor, often mistaken for a pleasant island full of cartoon tank engines beloved by children, actually hides countless dark tales. Be warned, dear listener, for the tale that follows is one without forgiveness, pity, or mercy. For suffering knows no greater home than the island of Sodor. The tank engines, an intelligent race that inhabit the island, are ruled by humans. They are treated as lesser, as tools, as disposable. And as a tank engine on the island of Sodor, when the time of your reckoning comes, the best that you can hope for, that you can beg for, is a quick, painless, and humane end. Some tank engines aren't granted such blessings. No, some tank engines suffer a fate far worse than any death. Such is the tale of Smudger. Smudger was a young, energetic, yet clumsy tank engine, and he lacked the wisdom to see what the humans were truly capable of. He was, however, confident and proud, and he aimed to be the fastest of the tank engines. But, unfortunately, this drive to be the best, to be the hardest working tank engine of them all, was ultimately his downfall. You see, Smudger eventually became notorious for his frequent derailing. He wasn't ever careful enough, and consistently lost control and lost his grip on the rails. He didn't let this discourage him, however. He simply laughed off the failures, not letting them taint his spirit. He was determined to better himself, to be stronger, to be faster. In his own words, who worries about a few spills? However, what Smudger thought was his incredible work ethic was actually what worried the humans most. With each spill off the rails, the humans' patience with Smudger ran thinner and thinner, until one fateful day they had had enough. His manager, with pure evil and hatred in his heart, vowed that he would make him useful at last. Smudger stopped laughing. He stopped smiling, and he felt cold as fear poured over him. That day was the last day that Smudger ever touched the rails again. That he ever moved again. The manager, in his blind rage, permanently mutilated poor Smudger, removing his ability to ever drive again. What's worse is that he wasn't just horrifically disfigured. He was torn apart and transformed into a generator, forced to still provide labor to his sadistic masters. But now, locked behind a shed, unable to move, his body used solely to churn out electricity. To this day, Smudger lives. But can what Smudger experiences truly be called a life? After all, those who still tell his tale say,
"He'll never move again."